today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Sheffield. To get started, make sure you have the two key details you'll need before opening the payment portal. First, have your penalty charge notice reference number ready. This is usually shown on the notice you received and often begins with letters such as SF or SY. You'll also need your vehicle registration number, sometimes called your VRN. Having both of these in front of you will make the process much quicker and help you avoid typing errors. Once you're ready, go to the Sheffield City Council Penalty Charge Notice Viewer online. This is the portal where you can look up your fine and review the details connected to it. It's also useful because in many cases you can view supporting photos or footage related to the notice. Taking a moment to review this information can help confirm that you're accessing the correct ticket before moving forward. When the portal loads, continue on the Penalty Charge Notice Viewer page. This is where you'll enter the information needed to find your case. Make sure you're on the correct screen and that the form fields are visible before you begin entering anything. Now type in your PCN number exactly as it appears on your notice. It's important to enter it carefully, including any letters at the beginning, because even a small mistake may prevent the system from finding your record. If the portal doesn't recognize the notice later, this is one of the first things you should double check. Next, enter your vehicle registration number in the registration field. Again, accuracy matters here. It's best to type it exactly as shown on your vehicle documents or on the notice itself so the system can match your ticket correctly. After that, take a moment to read through the terms and conditions on the page. Once you understand them, tick the box to confirm your agreement. This step is required before the portal will let you continue, so don't skip it. When everything has been entered and confirmed, click Search. The portal should then pull up the details of your penalty charge notice so you can review the information and proceed from there. Before clicking, it's always a good idea to quickly check that your PCN number and registration number are both entered correctly. That small extra check can save time and prevent unnecessary frustration. And that's how to begin paying a traffic ticket online in Sheffield using the official PCN Viewer portal.